How to install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get going. So for that, first of all, you have to open up Microsoft Store in your Windows 11. For that, click on the search icon and search for Microsoft Store. Once you have launched the Microsoft Store here, navigate to the search bar at the top and in the search bar type in Adobe Photoshop Express. Here the Adobe Photoshop Express is free to use, so in order to install it, you have to click on the application. Here you can scroll down more to view all the information regarding the application. You can also view the ratings and review. Once done, in order to download this Adobe Photoshop Express, click on Get. Now the process is being started. Once the process is complete, you can navigate and open up the Adobe Photoshop Express that will get installed in your Windows 11. And you can use it to edit your photos. So that's how you can install Adobe Photoshop Express in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.